Welcome to BuildBlock's digital product catalog. BuildBlock provides a wide variety of insulating concrete form products. Our one-stop shopping experience helps to make every job simple, cohesive, and efficient. This video is part of our digital product catalog, which is a series of videos that will cover our entire product line.
Today we'll be taking a look at the BuildLock KnockDown, or KD system. KnockDown systems are ICFs that are shipped as bundled panels and boxes of bridges based on the sizes needed for a project. Shipping 20% more forms per truck or ocean container ensures no space is wasted, especially for larger core forms.
KD forms are designed to maximize space whether shipping domestic or international. The forms are easily moved around the job site and assembled right where they're needed. BuildLock is also designed to make it easy to place forms around complex rebar already in place. BuildLock looks, feels, and works just like our standard forms, and will interlock with other BuildBlock ICF products.
KD blocks are assembled from two 2½ inch thick insulating EPS foam panels connected by 16 strong, high-density plastic bridges on 6-inch centers.
BuildBlock KD forms include all of the markings, features, and benefits found on all BuildBlock ICFs. BuildLock is perfect for large commercial and shipping overseas projects because it ships flat, allowing you to transport larger quantities on a truck or shipping container in whatever core size your design requires. Let's take a look at what makes BuildLock KnockDown Forms different.
BuildLock bridges are available in a variety of lengths to meet any concrete core thickness required. Manufactured using the same high-density plastic used to make the standard high-performance BuildBlock web, BuildLock KD bridges are available in 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12-inch increments, and greater widths can be achieved by connecting 2 or more bridges using the BuildBlock bridge clip connector.
Brickledge and double taper top form blocks are now available as BuildLock KnockDown Forms as well. Web bridges of larger width forms have wider rebar saddles for thicker rebar and lap requirements. The 10-inch bridge will allow lapping up to a number 7 and a number 8 on 12-inch forms. The reinforced web flanges inside the EPS panels deliver the same 150-pound pull-out strength of the full face of the web, and features 2 patented BuildBlock hardpoints with a pull-out strength of 450 pounds. These heavy-duty attachment points are perfect for bracing, masonry ties, shelving, or other design needs, and are a feature found only on BuildBlock forms. Each web bridge locks in place on all 3 axes, snapping securely in place and eliminating racking without any other clips or accessories. KD forms provide superior structural stability throughout the construction process. The BuildLock corner form is the largest and strongest in the industry. The 10-inch and 12-inch corner forms feature dual corner webs, locked together with additional flanges for increased attachment options, delivering safer pours and putting the strength where you need it most.
Assembling BuildLock KD forms is easy. Simply snap the bridges in place with the rebar fingers facing the correct direction and use a hammer or piece of rebar to tap them in place. Bridges may be reversed to provide an alternate placement for rebar on 12-inch centers horizontally, depending on engineering requirements. Note that once bridges are in place, the connection is very strong and they are hard to remove. KD forms are rigid and stronger than other knockdown forms, which require accessories or other material to prevent rocking or racking. KD forms can also be used for specialty applications on site, such as insulated footings, foundations, building tilt-up walls or retrofit applications, and easily integrated pilasters.
Commercial projects require stairwells and elevator shafts to be free of flammable material. Creating a wall with EPS insulation on one side and a concrete face on the other is easy using KD panels and bridges in conjunction with the BuildBlock HardWall connector. The HardWall connectors take the place of one of the foam panels and increase the concrete core size of the wall by 2½ inches. Concrete form boards are attached to the HardWall connector and then removed after the pour. The small piece of visible plastic that remains can be left visible and used as attachment points, or removed and covered with patch for a finished wall.
This form of construction is excellent for warehouses, elevator shafts, and other industrial applications. The BuildLock KnockDown forms extend the superior strength of BuildBlock's standard ICF blocks to thicker concrete cores and are an excellent solution for many types of construction.
BuildBlock's basic product line meets the many needs of most ICF job sites. From bucking to bracing to decking, finishes, and specialty applications. BuildBlock has everything you need to make your next ICF job a success.
For more information on BuildBlock products, visit our website and training site via BuildBlock.com.
For more videos in this series, as well as industry-leading training and education, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted.